Hey everyone, today we're at ShopRite in Griffith, I'm not sure how you pronounce it. We have a local liquor walk-in refrigerator right here, as you can see. Well, it's a local liquor store. As you can see, we have a Buffalo Trident evaporator with 3 fans on it. There's only one evaporator in here. That's it. This is Buffalo Trident right there. We have the traditional front-loaded fans, which is very, very nice. Yet again, another Buffalo Trident sign right there. So there's the coil, back there as you can see. And there's the pipe that injects the cold water into the coil. And there's the drainage pipe right there. So yeah, it's not too bad really. Pretty big, actually. I'm not gonna lie. So that's about it, really. And I hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys in the next episode. Bye.